Alright guys, welcome back. We're at Concordia University in Seward, Nebraska. I run the mile in about less than 4 hours ish. Currently reading Rich Dad Poor Dad. Great book. Awesome, learning a lot. So yeah, so we're gonna be here. I'm gonna run the mile. I got one race, that's it. So it's gonna be my best race, and then I'll film the rest of the meet. The distance squad at least. So yeah, check back with you guys in later.
Okay, one. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, everyone get in it. Hello. Not the 1, 2, 3. We're here at Concordia.
They already know.
Oh. Okay. So, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, let's go around and say what we're running. I'm running the 8 and the 2.
I'm running the mile and the 1,000.
I'm running the mile and the 3K.
And I'm just running the mile.
Who was that? Oh, that was Kenny.
What?
Kenny, tell them what you're running today.
What are you running? No. Yes.
What's up, guys? My name's Kenny.
Oh my god, Kenny.
I'm running the 3K. I'm running the 3K today, and I'm also running the mile, but I'm focused on the 3K today. So,
That's the tequila and Carter and all that.
yeah.
See, he knew exactly what he was talking about.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Caleb. Please cut this out, one.
I won't.
Huh?
I'm gonna be super bogus.
You're right.
Yeah, you didn't edit nothing. You left the last one. You left the part where I said they sell meth at that fucking. He did.
I'm Carter. I run the mile.
Yeah.
That's Rob. He runs the 800.
Yeah. Running the 8.
Here, let me just shove this camera in your face.
It looked far. So I'm running the 8 and the 6. Probably gonna get my ass whipped in the 6, but we'll see what happens.
But Peyton Walden.
Yeah.
What are you
His
gonna
favorite
run
person.
today?
The mile.
What are you gonna run it in?
Hey Kinsey, I remember
The Concordia track.
No, what are you gonna run it in?
Yeah, like
Time.
this build. Oh.
Yeah.
Fast.
They're sitting on my desk
Yeah.
at home.
Something
Taking that
like
first
I put
place
them right
dub.
next to my hydro
Hopefully.
flask.
Gonna hit the gritty?
And I still
Past the finish line, of course.
All right, bet. Kenny. Oh.
You already said it. Nope.
I was gonna ask Kenny if we were hitting the gritty today, but
Am I gonna hit the gritty
Because I had
today?
to fill it up.
You guys are good. Alright, appreciate it. Alright guys, we're it's 2 o'clock. Currently watching the Army-Navy game on ad break. So yeah, go Army, beat Navy. You guys see this Wednesday, you guys will know who won. So hopefully it's the Army, but you know, it's a game, so you never know if you win or lose. Either way, beat Navy. But we're currently waiting for our event. Yeah, we got 2 hours until that happens, I think. 1 hour until I start warming up. Yeah, dude, it's great.
I'm ready, bro.
All right, guys, we out here at the track. Oh man, currently still listening to the Army-Navy game. First,
Also, rip Illinois today, bro.
yeah, right?
Penn State. What the hell was that?
Wait, we're in Penn State right now?
No, we're talking about Illinois. Oh man, so we got the track out here. We're running about an hour or so, an hour or 2. Yeah.
So we're getting ready for the women's 800 here at the Concordia meet. There's our ladies, the blue and white. We'll be back in just a second. And they're off. Good job, Nikki Bluma. Let's go. Come on, Bluma. That's it. Good job. Hey, nice. I had a gun in my head. Come on, on, Nikki. Good job, Nikki. Now we move on to the men's 800. Yeah, Rob. His turn to run. All right, here we go.
Hey, let's go. On your mark. Let's go now, Jacob.
Rob's off. Go on, Rob! Let's go, buddy! Keep it up! We're coming back around, last lap. Come on, Rob! Come on, buddy! Yes! Place first with that one. All right, we're getting ready to start. Like I said, we have Kylie, we have Maria, and we have Lexi racing for us for the mile women. Let's go, ladies! Here comes our Briarcliff ladies. We have Pluma, or Lexi and Maria. Come on, ladies! Here comes Kylie to finish her last lap. Come on, Kylie, keep it up. Good job. And then here comes Lexi and Maria. And here comes Kylie.
I do it like the last chance. That's why I get the next time.
Come on, Kylie! So now we're getting ready for the men's mile. We have Carter and Caleb and Kenny, and then we have Juan who's running our mile today. So Juan's in lane 4, Kenny's in lane. Yeah, that sounds right. Oh, here we go. They're getting ready. That was a little loud. All right, let's go, boys! Let's push it! We got Carter coming through. Good job, Carter! Come on, Juan! Push it! Good job, buddy! You did it!
Come on, Kenny!
Come on, Kenny!
Good job, Kenny!
There we go.
Much better than last week.
And then we got Caleb coming right up.
Much better. You competed. You fucking competed.
Okay, guys.
Damn right.
4:53. Kinda, whatever. It don't matter. IPR. Let's go. Come on, Caleb, you got this. IPR.
I finally ran into a PR.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Nice job. Good job.
That was awesome. I'm so proud.
Good job, bro.
That was great.
Wait, what a shit. Good shit, bud. What a
Everyone's PR.
What was your time? What you want?
What's up?
What was your time?
4:50.
4:50?
4:53-ish. Alright, guys. Good mile. You know, made a jump to a PR. So, that's always good. Small steps make the dream work. We good. Let's go. You got this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Cut.